Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the blade on your Thermomix TM21 is a straightforward process, but it requires attention to detail and the right tools. In this tutorial, we will guide you through each step to ensure a successful blade replacement. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, remove the mixing bowl from the base. To do this, simply twist it counterclockwise until it releases. Set the bowl aside. Now, focus on the blade assembly. You will notice a small screw at the base of the blade. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew this. Keep the screw in a safe place as you will need it later. Once the screw is removed, gently pull the blade assembly out of the mixing bowl. If it feels stuck, you can use the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it loose. Be cautious not to damage the bowl during this process. With the blade assembly removed, it's time to clean the area. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the inside of the mixing bowl, ensuring there are no food particles or residue left behind. This step is crucial for maintaining the hygiene of your appliance. Now, take your new blade and insert it into the mixing bowl. Ensure it fits snugly into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Once the new blade is in position, take the screw you removed earlier and secure the blade assembly back into the bowl. Tighten it gently with your Phillips head screwdriver, ensuring it's secure but not overly tight, as this could damage the blade or bowl. After securing the blade, it's time to reattach the mixing bowl to the base. Align it properly and twist it clockwise until it clicks into place. Before you start using your Thermomix again, it's a good idea to run a quick test. Plug the appliance back in and run it on a low setting for a few seconds. This will help ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to deal with this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. With these steps, you should now have a fully functional Thermomix TM21 with a new blade. Enjoy your cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.